All right, so gold, you better hurry or it's sold out. You really don't ever hear that, do you? Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Once again, this is Clean Money. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys for having some patience while I've been gone. 2 weeks ago, I made a video talking about how I sold my Silver Eagles. There was some good, some bad comments in there, and it's fine, and I'm cool with that. I like to put that information out there, and I like to, at least tell you exactly what I'm doing. I'm a little bit different. I'm someone who actually shows my precious metals and kind of vlogs about it or whatnot. But I just wanted to let you guys know there's plenty of stock available. Just to be clear, I know I see that out there quite a bit. You see the caution tape and the red sirens going off. Alert, alert, alert. It's just that's for people who don't know any different, or people that have no idea of what's actually taking place. Someone who doesn't actually buy precious metals. Because if you were actively buying precious metals, you'd know that there is stock available. There's plenty of it. I just got in some more while I was gone. These just rolled in. I did open them up. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know I tend to reveal those things first. So here they are. I had to get the rabbit, the tiger, and the ox. I keep wanting to call it a bull, but it's the ox. And these are beautiful coins. These are the Perth Mint Lunar Series 3, and beautiful gold. Absolutely stunning gold, and it's dirt cheap compared to your American Gold Eagles, your American Gold Buffaloes. Dirt cheap. There is one missing. They didn't have it available whenever I made my order, and I'm still trying to figure out which size that I want to get as far as the bigger rabbit. I do have the 2 ounce, and I'll show you that here. And the cool thing about that is it actually fits inside of a 1 ounce gold coin tube, which is pretty cool. I do have the 2 ounce tiger. That thing's massive, isn't it? Good Lord. I'm thinking about getting the rabbit. Not 100% sure. It depends on Black Friday. If there's a great deal on Black Friday, then I'll take advantage of that. If there's nothing that really tickles my fancy, I'll probably end up getting the 2 ounce rabbit. And it's not because I'm rich. It's because I've been saving for most of the year, and I have some capital that I'm ready to disperse because I think the bottom is in. So that's another thing that I wanted to talk about as well today is, I do think that it is time to go ahead, and if you have cash, go ahead and release the funds. I am. I'm not going to play coy about that. That's something that I'm actively doing. But I just wanted to get that out there. Oh yeah, crap! I almost forgot. I got this in as well, and it came in this little pouch. And it's something I never buy. Never, ever buy this stuff. Never, ever, ever buy this stuff. Number one, the premiums are crazy on it, but I had to kind of dip my toes in it. So it's a 1 gram gold bar. And I picked it up with that order right there, not because I needed free shipping, but because I wanted to dip my toes in, right? I wanted to see if it's something that I'm going to like, something that I'm going to enjoy, whether I would actually stack gold bars. Number one, I'm highly suspect of them. Number two, I just like coins better. But the premium on them is, well, on 1 gram, it's horrible. But on the larger sizes, it's actually pretty good. And it's a great way to stack. It's a way a lot of people do stack, actually. But there's issues with that. And the only issues probably would be, it would probably be your security issues. But there's companies that actually do a good job with that. But for the most part, I'm mostly a coin guy. I like my coins better. And the premium isn't too bad on certain ones. Like this Britannia here. Just certain coins, they just work. Certain bars probably work too. But I have time. I have 20 plus years. So once I get enough coins, I guess I can consider going down that road. And it would probably be more boring, be more RC and bars. That's probably the way that I'm leaning. But that's where I'm at right now. Looking forward to Black Friday, seeing what we get. If not, I'll probably get the 1 ounce rabbit or the 2 ounce. Let me know your comments down below. Tell me what you think. Are you ready for Black Friday? There's a lot of stuff that I'm ready to go shopping. Not just for stacking purposes, but for family. Got to take care of them first, and then we'll go from there. All right? That's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, be patient. There's plenty of product out there. You just got to shop. All right? Keep grinding on your stack.